garlic, a joy to behold. B is for bitter melon, bumpy and green. It may taste strong, but it keeps you lean. C is for cabbage, round and tight. Shredded in soups, it's pure delight. D is for daikon, crisp and white. A radish that makes your tummy feel right. E is for eggplant, shiny and deep. Stir-fried with spice, it's a dish to keep. F is for fiddlehead, curly and wild. Found in the forest, nature's child. G is for galangal, ginger's cousin. Adds a zing to soups by the dozen. H is for horn, so spinach so green. Steamed or fresh, it keeps you keen. I is for ivy gourd, tiny and neat. A climbing veggie that's fun to eat. J is for jicama, juicy and light. Crunchy and cool in every bite. K is for kangkung, in rivers it grows. Also called water spinach, as everyone knows. L is for lotus root, holy and white. In stir-fries or soups, it's a tasty bite. M is for moringa, the miracle tree. Its leaves are healthy as healthy can be. N is for napa cabbage, soft and sweet. Perfect for pickles or a hot soup treat. O is for okra, sticky and slim. Great in a curry or fried just fine. P is for pak choi, with stems so white. Stir-fried in garlic, oh what a bite! Q is for quinoa, greens leafy and rare. If you grow them local, you've got a pair. R is for ridge gourd, ribbed and long. Cooked with lentils, it sings a song. S is for snake gourd, twisty and lean. Tasty and fun in a veggie cuisine. T is for taro, purple and round. Mash it or fry it, it's homegrown ground. U is for ubi, a sweet purple yam. Used in desserts and jam, jam, jam. V is for velvet bean, fuzzy and shy. Grow it at home, give it a try. W is for winged bean, with edges so cool. It grows in the tropics and looks like a jewel. X is for xiao bai kai, crisp and mild. A Chinese cabbage that's loved by each child. Y is for yard long bean, long as a rope. Snappy and green, it's your veggie hope. Z is for zucchini, soft and sleek. Slice it in noodles or stir fry this week.
Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe this channel, like and share. Also,